to come down all over the ground. They shut this whole place down because there's no rain coming down. You go in the woods and you get fined 25. Found out it went up 3 more. Now you're fined $28,000. If you go in the woods, you shouldn't be in the woods when it's dry. When it's dry, there's no rain coming down, only sunshine all around. No rain coming down, no rain coming down. I heard on the news, if you can believe the news, they've made fines. They got a few people crossing the line. Smoke filled the air, fire going on, not much water going around. The rain ain't coming down, the rain ain't coming down. Lord knows we need it. Lord, we're asking. We want the rain to come down. Lord, it's up to you to see it through. Rain ain't coming down, so dry.